It's Paul here. I have my 2002 WRX. It is the 2-liter turbocharged. The engine is completely stock on it. I have aftermarket eBay front lip. I have some SSR 18-inch rims that were from Japan. Those will be gone. I'm looking at the Inky TS10s to put on there. I have the INVIDIA N1 race exhaust on it, beautiful. And that's it. That's about it. Changed out a headrest, got an embroidered headrest on it. Yeah. We're gonna pop the hood now. All you gotta do is pull this lever. Yep, still 100% completely stock. I don't plan on changing anything in here. These cars are beautiful just the way they are, minus the Dragonfly. Alright, now we're going to start the car up for you so you can hear the exhaust. Like I said, it has the INVIDIA N1 race exhaust on it, so there's no resonator. People say that there's a lot of droning, which I don't know what they're talking about. There's almost no drone inside the car. And if you want that boxer rumble, this exhaust will give it to you. I've heard the Blitz NER specs on a STI. To me, it doesn't sound as good. This thing is exactly what you're going to want. Let me start it up for you. Some people say this exhaust is a little too loud. I don't think it is. I've been driving cars with exhausts on them. Used to have an old 85 Camaro with Flowmasters. That baby was loud. That sounded like straight pipe. This does not. I've gone on all the forums. Everybody says it's loud as shit. And what I think the problem is these kids nowadays just don't know what loud is. So what I'm thinking is they need to take the skiddy jeans off and let their nuts drop a little bit. And then they'll go to a quality exhaust. Have a nice day. Like I said, this car's perfect just the way it is. So thank you, MTV, for not pimping my ride.